This is not the real place. I'm talking in this vertical frame. I expanded my whole frame something like a beautiful nature with the lake and amazing stuff. Just like this, and this. And this is not my real home studio. I also use the same technique just like I'm shooting in this vertical frame and expanded with the prompt like a home studio with the canvas and other element. Just like this, and there you have it, your own dream home studio. So I am going to show you how to create this amazing creative effect in Premiere Pro and attract your audience by your endless creativity. You don't have to use Photoshop. Instead of, I will show you a website that have many features to do every work just like a Photoshop. So my name is Yaman Soni and I am a freelance video editor. So yeah, let's dive into the world of creativity. So first step, shoot yourself by your camera or your phone. Now drag and drop this clip into the Premiere Pro and take a screenshot of your first frame. Now drag and drop this image into this website. It's called FreePic. Now go to the expand option and expand your image just like a prompt with the beautiful lake with the nature and other element just like this. And there you have some options you can choose by your taste. Now drag and drop this image into the Premiere Pro and place over the clip. Now go to the effect control and set to perfect screen size. You can decrease the opacity to get the perfect control to see what's going on. Now go to the mask option and mask around the empty place just like this. And feather the mask to blend the whole scene perfectly just like this. And there you have it. There is another thing that you can use this method to remove the distraction from your video, just like there is a fan in my every video but I removed it so nobody will notice it. Just you have to go to the retouch option and paint over the area that you wanted to remove. Now drag and drop your final image into the Premiere Pro and place over the clip. Now go to the mask option and mask around the area that you wanted to remove. And there you have it, nobody will notice it. The last but not the least, you can add some element in your video just like I want some poster and canvas just like this and this. Just you have to go to the retouch option and paint over the area that you wanted to generate on it. Now drag and drop your final image into the Premiere Pro and place over the clip. Now go to the mask option and mask around the area that you wanted to add on it. And there you have it, create your own creation. There is a whole video about this website that I explain every single feature that you can check it out easily. And that's it for today guys. If you like this video, share this and subscribe to the channel for the tips, tricks and tutorials. Until then, think creative, make creative.